Hi, you are a CFO or an accountant, you've heard of Power BI. In the next minute, we're going to talk about why Power BI is a relevant solution for reporting. My name is Vincent Lacomme. I am a French chartered accountant and also a Microsoft certified data analyst. What is Power BI? This is a business intelligence and data visualization tool that is different from Excel. In a nutshell, it allows to extract data from different sources and represent them using visuals like diagrams, charts, or key performance indicators. You can import sources like Excel, CSV, TXT files, or Azure SQL databases. For instance, you can use a general ledger or a bank statement as your source. Power Query will extract and transform the data. We can delete useless columns, create additional ones, or replace character, etc. Power BI integrates three different modules. 1. Power Query for data extraction and data cleansing. 2. Power BI Desktop for designing your report with charts and performance indicators. Both of these tools are free. The third module is Power BI Service for sharing your reports to other users. This last module requires a subscription. There are several formulas, including one for around $10 per month and user. You might ask, why Power BI? I can see at least three incentives. The first one is automation. Using Power Query is an efficient way to automate manual tasks such as reformatting columns, reordering, deleting rows from an existing source. Most financial and accounting departments are still using Excel files that they have to manually modify each month. Thanks to Power Query, you can program these tasks once and for all. Also, Power BI is able to process 7 million rows without difficulty from different sources. You can automate daily, weekly, or monthly reports and handle heterogeneous data sources. The second incentive is that Power Query can consolidate data and files efficiently. Let's say you have 40 CSV files of sales report by subsidiary. You want a single file. This could prove a very time-consuming manual work to merge them into one file. And finally, Power BI is a reporting solution that offers an interactive experience for the end user. It allows to concentrate on analyzing the data rather than producing reportings. In terms of use cases, I think that Power BI can be useful for many parts of a company. Let's say sales data, financial reporting, cash management, HR reporting, or inventory dashboard. Let's see a simple example for a cash dashboard. This Excel file contains a bank statement with the date, entry name, country, and debit credit operations, as well as a final column with the account number. We will use this as our source for Power BI, and here is a simple example of a dashboard, a one-page report where we have a few visuals. The first visual in the top left corner of the page shows the accumulated cash at the end of each month. In the lower left, the monthly cash flows show both incoming and outgoing payments. In the lower right, we have the list of operations in our bank statement that we can scroll down. In the top left visual accumulated cash, we can use the mouse to hover on one point here. In August 12, 2021, we can see that the ending balance is €577,000. In terms of granularity, we can filter these whole reports. We can choose one account, for instance, the second account here. And as you can see, the filter has generated a new visual with the relevant data. We can choose account number 5 here. And there it is. We can also filter per country. Let's say I want all operations with Italy. I can click here. Also, we could very well choose all Italy operations on account number 3 by clicking here as well. We can change a visual very easily. So let's say I have the accumulated cash here, and I can go to the visualization panel here and say I want an area chart, and automatically the line chart has been converted to an area chart. There are a lot of functions. It's a very impressive tool for financial and accounting divisions. In conclusion, learn, try and use Power BI. This is a treat for CFOs and accountants. If you liked this video, please click on the thumb below and subscribe to this channel. You can also contact me via LinkedIn.